You know, there is a cure for the case of the midterms. It's some library news. Here is what's happening this week in the libraries. Sycamore Library has the perfect read for you this Halloween season. Whether you prefer blood-chilling scares or tooth-rotting sweetness, your next adventure can be found on our shelves. Enter if you dare! Sycamore Library will have these books on display throughout October, so come check them out. Step into the ethereal realm of spectral shadows, an exhibit where history intertwines with the supernatural. These archival photographs capture moments tinged with mystery and intrigue, where ghostly figures and eerie apparitions materialize unexpectedly. Each image tells a haunting tale, inviting the viewers to ponder the boundary between the seen and the unseen. Explore the spectral echoes of the past with this captivating collection of ghostly images featuring the work of Richard Doherty, Joe Clark, and more. The exhibit will be running at UNT CoLab on the Denton Square until November 2nd. Come check it out. Whether you're aiming for a tech career or simply want to stay competitive, Python is an essential skill. Join our workshop and learn the basics of Python programming. No experience needed. You can register for the event using the link below. Some side effects of library news are higher intelligence, great talking points for events and parties, and lip picks. Did you know our librarians create and curate subject and course guides to help you succeed in your specific courses and areas of study? Subject guides are resources selected by subject librarians for your discipline, whereas course guides are a collection of course-specific resources that will help you conduct the research necessary to complete your assignments and projects. You can learn more about these guides by visiting guides.library.unt.edu. The Writing Center tutors are here to help with drop-in hours Sunday through Thursday from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. in room 250J on Willis Library's second floor. Email writingcenter@unt.edu if you have any questions about tutoring and writing services. Come check us out. Lastly, need to reserve a study space at one of our libraries? Be sure to visit calendar.library.unt.edu/reserve to browse our available spaces and times. We have a variety of spaces that can be reserved using your EU ID, such as study pods, small rooms, and full-size classrooms. Be sure to book early. These time slots fill quickly. Well, that's all the library news that we have for today, so be sure to check us out for more info, and always check out our website at library.unt.edu for all the resources available to you. See ya!